Okay, so you know how humans have bones that give our bodies structure and help us move around? Well, spiral galaxies like the Milky Way also have something similar. They're called galactic filamentary bones. These bones run through the middle of the galaxy's arms, kind of like how our limbs have bones running through them. Most of the stars in spiral galaxies are in these long arms that spiral around the center of the galaxy. And the galactic bones are what make up the structure of those arms. They're super important for astronomers, especially when it comes to understanding magnetic fields. Magnetic fields can be tricky to study in space, but they have a big impact on things like how stars move and why they do what they do. So, by studying these galactic bones, scientists can learn a lot about how galaxies work and evolve over time. It's kind of like understanding the skeleton of a person. It gives you a better idea of how the body moves and functions as a whole. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be able to use this knowledge to explore the stars and galaxies even further. Just like how doctors use X-rays to see inside our bodies, scientists use advanced technology like the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, SOFIA, to map out the magnetic fields of these galactic bones. In fact, NASA and the German Space Agency recently teamed up to do just that for a particular galactic bone called G47. Now, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal. Well, mapping out these magnetic fields is actually a first, and it helps us better understand how the galaxy functions as a whole. Plus, using an airborne observatory like SOFIA is pretty cool, right? It's like a flying telescope that can travel above the clouds to get a clearer view of the universe. So with this new mapping of G47, scientists have made a significant advancement in the fields of astrophysics and astronomy. And who knows, maybe someday we'll have X-ray vision just like our favorite superheroes. Before SOFIA, it was really hard to get high-resolution images of magnetic fields throughout the entire galactic bone. But now, with this new technology, researchers have a much better understanding of how these enormous filamentary clouds function. The best part is that this is just the beginning. There are still many more galactic bones to be discovered and studied. In fact, there are already 10 bones being looked at by astronomers. This research is all part of a larger initiative to better understand the cosmic skeleton of the Milky Way. With computer models and new technology like SOFIA, we're getting closer and closer to unlocking the secrets of our galaxy.